Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Before starting our new video, make sure that you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So today our topic is 7 mistakes every new YouTuber makes. So everyone starting out a YouTube channel ages to find an audience, gain popularity and become a successful vlogger. Most beginner vloggers don't know exactly what to do. What is the right thing and what is wrong? Of course, making mistakes is an important part of every path. Mistakes make you learn and grow. And it's great, however, there are many things that could be done completely differently and you wish you knew it before. Diverse content. A huge mistake is to create videos about everything. Some think that this approach will bring more viewers, but it's absolutely not true. If you have video about photography, fashion and pets, for example, which are your hobbies, it will be hard to grow. To make a recognizable channel, you need to stick to a certain subjects or theme and create useful content upon that. Too unrealistic niche or topic. When you have decided on a theme for a YouTube channel, think if this is what you really can do for a long time. Figure out what it will take to run your channel, what you will need to invest, whether it will work or you in a year or 5 years. This step is circular when starting a YouTube channel, because if you decide to rebrand your channel and change the subject down the road, it is very easy to become obsessed with YouTube statistics. Reaching a particular milestone in a number of views or subscribers can be a buzz bug. Trying to get more views and promoting video rather than focusing on the quality you content in a huge mistake. You have to put out lots of good content and be out there for a while before you get a lot of views. Spend more time making more videos and improving your skill. You can get lost in the analytics, and it's one of those things that can take your attention away from the important part, which is creating awesome content. Remember that every time you upload a video, that's another chance to someone to find you. Underestimate the importance of thumbnail. Although it seems very simple, many YouTubers neglect to work on a thumbnail as carefully as on the video. This is a mistake because a thumbnail is the first what a potential viewer sees, and it an engaging and attractive thumbnail that makes the viewer clicking on the video. We are very visual. If you go to a store and you have a wall shelf full of similar goods, you are naturally going to be drawn to the that looks the best for you. Perfectionism. A desire to make perfect video and a fear of a failure can make a beginner YouTuber procrastinate and put off starting. When you are afraid, you will always find an excuse for not doing what you need to do. The sixth point is plagiarism. In the beginning, taking successful vlogger as a model and inspiration is a good idea, but you may be at risk for being a copy, imitating another vlogger's editing style, music choice and speech patterns that you do not resonate that will with you bring views and subscribers. Once you are being original and doing what you love, it resonates with other people and gets you views. Number 7 is being alone. One of the most important things for a YouTuber is finding other people who do the same type of content as you on YouTube and become their friends. There are a few reasons why need to collaborate. As a YouTuber, you sometimes find yourself in a lonely place. You are shooting videos by yourself, you are editing them by yourself, and oftentimes it's really lonely. So it's valuable to reach out there. Creators join the conversation and start being a part of community. So guys, hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So goodbye and take care of yourself.